Hello guys, this is Chippo back in the video. Today I'm building a gaming PC which costs $1,000 which can run any game at 60 FPS at max of setting. Let's get started guys. This is a $1,000 gaming PC. On the CPU we're using an Intel i5 7600 CPU. It has 4 cores and 4 threads. It has Intel Turbo Boost 2.0, but it does not support hybrid threading technology. It's fine. Next on the cooler we're using Cooler Master M4. It's a super cool profile cooler. It's okay for your PC. Next on the motherboard we're using Logitech B250M motherboard. VR gaming experience, high quality audio, DDR4 and smart fan. Next model RAM we are using DSTR Smooth 8GB single DDR. The speed is 2.4000 GHz and the fast speed and standard DDR memory. Ideal for gamers and for performance. Next on the power supply we are using NVIDIA 7000 performance for meets the value, 3 years warranty, heavy duty protection. Move on the graphics card we are using MSI Gaming GTX 1070 8GB graphics card. Max out resolution is 8K. It can run any game at 60 FPS at max out rating. This is a beast. Next, move on to the hard disk using 1TB. 1TB is enough for your PC and store all the games for your needs. Next, on the case we are using Corsair Series Black 300R case. It has 2 years warranty and inbuilt HDD compatible. It can store up to 4 hard disks in your PC. Thanks for watching guys. Please, I hope you like this video. Please comment and share. All the links will be in the description. Please check it out. Peace out guys.